All right, guys, well, we did it. Another late night, but we got his surround speakers up off the floor, got all the wiring put in place, got all of this gutted and rerouted down into the attic, or not attic, crawl space, and then we got a rack installed here. Everything turned out super clean. Customer's extremely satisfied, which makes me happy. If you guys would like us to do something like this for you, give me a call, shoot me an email, and we'll discuss your needs. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Make sure to subscribe down below, and thanks for watching. Let's see what this thing's got.
Because we are so used to hearing sound this way, we don't notice that it is merely a fraction of what its potential could be. But what if sound could be extraordinary? Again. There's no need to wonder, because you're listening to Dolby ATMOS. With Dolby ATMOS, audio can precisely move in any direction in this theater. Whether the sound sweeps from the back, to all the way in front, arcs overhead, owns anywhere in between. Then, you will feel every dimension. How does that sound?
Yeah,
Those caps are pretty good.
I'll have to say,